What is up, everybody? Welcome back. The sun is hitting me right in the face, so I'm squinting a lot. But you guys, today we're gonna be putting the S2000 back together. Let me show you. I got the oil pan off because I'm gonna be redoing the whole gasket on the oil pan and the timing cover. Let me show you what's going on in the oil pan. So let me see if I can it looks dark on my camera. Hopefully it don't look too dark once I film it. Okay, there is some little stuff in there that's just from the gaskets that fell into there. But you can see the mix right here between the oils. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see it. The oil and the water and the oil and the coolant mixing kind of mixed up. So I'm assuming we definitely had some kind of leak with the gaskets, the head gasket. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, clean out this and on the other side, and then we're gonna continue on to put on the new gasket and the new stuff. Here's the engine, so let's continue on with that. What is going on, you guys, and welcome back. I'm here just putting kind of basically the final touches on this S2000 to see if we can get it going, because we need to get it going. It's time to get it running. I want to see it on the road. I know a lot of people don't care to see it on the road, but I definitely want to see it on the road, because that's what we gotta do, you know. I've had a lot of setbacks, a lot of fallbacks, a lot of everything, and you just kind of bounce back and you get, you know, you push on through it. You can't just give up, you guys. It's never an option. As of lately, I've been really looking at my videos, and I'm really trying to improve the quality on them. I don't know if you guys were able to tell this video. Upgraded my camera, so the quality picture is probably should be way better. We're talking about a nice little good camera here. I'm not talking about nothing, no iPhone quality anymore. The iPhone wasn't too bad, but it just wasn't cutting it anymore. You know, I gotta trying to up the quality of my videos, up the quality of everything, so I can make it more entertaining to watch. And so that's why I'm trying to up the production on my stuff, because I need to upgrade the quality on the videos to keep it more entertaining for you guys to watch, just overall, so it could be more entertaining. Because I've been pushing out more videos, but I don't know if they've been that entertaining as I think I would like to think they are. Doing YouTube videos full-time would be really cool, in my opinion. And I've been doing YouTube for a long time, and it's, you know, if we're being honest, it really hasn't gone much anywhere. This year I've actually been really consistent with it. If you have been following me, I've been really consistent with it. I've been almost posting for about every Wednesday for about a year now. If you really follow me like that, you would notice it. And then I started to up the quantity of videos I put up per week, and I started doing 2 videos, and it just really kind of like, it's helped me like really discipline myself and show myself that I can do it, which is really cool. And a lot of things have actually upgraded as far as my thumbnails and stuff like that. My posting time schedules, discipline. I've learned a lot from doing just uploading weekly with YouTube videos. Even a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of the content has gone up in and quality. I just kind of want to give more value to you guys. All this has been one big learning experience for me, from building this car, building on YouTube. Like I said, I'm really gonna start upgrading a lot of things. The quality of the videos, the quality of the content. I just really wanna get all this, you know, when they say quality over quantity, I'm gonna say it's 100% true, because I could put out 100 videos, or in my case I could put out 500 videos and still have no traction whatsoever, which is like, at the end of it, it doesn't, none of them really matter. So overall, in a sense, I kind of almost want to start over. In the near future or so, I will be hiring a videographer to help me film these videos so they could get more, because sometimes working on the car and trying to film, it's not, I don't want to say it's a hard task, but it's also not an easy task. You got to know how the shot's gonna look, how to prepare the shot. You want it all just to look good, nice and good, because if at the end of the day it's not looking that great, it's gonna come out really trash. So I really want them to come out looking mighty fine, delicious. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So let's get all this tidied up and good to go, so we can move on and get this started. Let's get her started. Come on, let's get her started. And that right there concludes my whole perspective on what I will be in, the direction I will be going with this channel, because I really want to get serious now. I said it in the past before and I really didn't do it. This time I really want to get serious. I've actually been serious almost for a year now, posting, I said, regularly for 1 video a week for the whole year. It's been since I remember December of last year, and almost coming up on that. But you guys, other than that, I don't know. I'm gonna see how I post my next video. Like I said, I want to make it as entertaining as possible to watch and see. So we will see where we go right there. I have the S2000 right here already wrapped up, and I wrapped up on the motor. I'm practically wrapped up again. I rebuilt it for the second time, which is really cool. Being said that I've never done any of this in my whole entire life. I did it once and then I did it again right now, just so I'm hoping this fixed the issue. If not, I don't know. We will see where we go from there. But anyways, other than that, you guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.